A lot of people hear the term refinance, but they're not sure what that actually is or how they do it and what is it going to cost. So, how do you refinance? It's not as scary as it sounds, and it's a lot easier than the purchase process because what took the longest when you purchased your home was finding the home. When you refinance, you will send over some updated documents depending on the last time your mortgage was done. Typically, most recent 30 days of pay stubs, maybe your last year's W 2. We send all of the information into underwriting. We lock you at a lower interest rate. And most of the time, clients will select to come to the closing table without any money out of pocket. Yes, for real, you can lower your monthly payment and go to the closing table without spending a dollar out of your checking account. With refinances, any cost is typically just added to the loan. If you used us when you purchased your home, then we'll have a different conversation as lender fees, appraisal, that will all be covered by our company. But if you were just using a third-party company or an online lender for a refinance, typically they would just add that cost to your loan amount so that you're not bringing anything out of pocket and your loan is just lowered to the new interest rate that it's at. And about 30 days later, you go to closing and sign off on your new payment.